All right, before this video starts, I want to quickly address the haircut issue. Apparently there's a lot of straight or gay men out there who have a lot of issues with my haircut. Currently there is the third lockdown of the coronavirus in Toronto, and so haircuts have been illegal for like a long ass time, and I might be lucky to get a haircut mid-July. Okay, I've been getting like 5 comments a day about my haircut. I didn't know you guys were like that, checking me out and stuff. With that said, for the people who actually care about the sneakers and stuff, let's get into it. So as you guys know, summer is picking up and there's a lot of dope new sneakers coming out, some retros, some new stuff, and I picked up a good combination of both. So today I have a bunch of sneakers to showcase with you guys that I picked up personally, and I'll be reviewing on the channel very soon. So let me just show you real quick with the camera. We got 4 boxes down here. That means 4 new pickups, and yeah, we'll be reviewing all these on either this channel here, the main channel SneakerTalk, or on the other channel SneakerTalk 365. And if you don't know yet, we're gonna get back into the sneaker news content on the channel. That's one of the various styles of content a lot of you guys have subscribed for. So we're gonna try and do some daily sneaker news, cover like the best releases, the upcoming releases, all that and more. And I'm thinking about doing some live streams with you guys on YouTube, specifically like 30 minutes to an hour hangouts, talking about new sneaker news and stuff coming out, and rumors, stuff we don't necessarily have all the info for, but stuff I want to talk about with you guys. So if you guys want to have some sneaker live streams, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. Just comment sneaker live streams, and then of course subscribe with notifications on so you can be a part of those live streams. I have a bunch of sneakers to give away as well for those people in the live streams, so it's going to be a good time. But with that said, let's get to the very first shoe of the day in this box right here, and it's a pair of Nike shoes. And if any of these are still available for retail or close to retail on places like eBay, I'll leave them linked down below. But a lot of these sneakers are pretty hot. Like, a lot of these sneakers are going to be some of the best sneakers this summer when it comes to releases, so I expect a lot of these to be sold out by now. So here we go. This is the very first pair, and this is a banger. We're starting off hot. We got the Nike Air More Uptempo. These shoes right here have got to be one of my favorite Nike silhouettes. For me, it goes Air Force 1, the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2, and then the Air More Uptempo. Now, this is a colorway I'm pretty sure we've seen before. It does look very familiar, but yeah, when I see these sneakers, I think of like 90s basketball, old school, retro, like, you know what I'm talking about? I get those really nice nostalgic kind of vibes. These are so sick, man. Take a look at this. They got the white, they got the red, and this is going to be a really clean colorway for the summer months. Of course, all white sneakers are a go-to, but with that pop of red, you know, ooh, it just looks really nice. And the air definitely stands out, even though it's just a red like perimeter, the stitching around it, that is in red. But yeah, that is the first pickup of today. We got the Nike Air More Uptempo. These are fire. I love the Air More Uptempo, one of my favorite like Nike retro shoes. All right, next up, I picked these up off of eBay. You guys know they have eBay authenticity guarantee. If you guys haven't seen that video where I test out eBay's authenticity guarantee, check it out. I'll leave it linked down below. And you can actually basically get your shoes verified by eBay when you shop online. So this is not a brand deal with them. This is a sneaker I actually bought using eBay, the platform, because I definitely mess with the platform. And here it is. Ooh, this is cool. So this is, I think, one of the first OG style Nike Air Jordan 1 lows we've seen in a long time. I think the last time we've seen Air Jordan 1 lows, and with this box, like, this is not your typical Jordan 1 low box, right? This is what we're used to seeing out of the Jordan 1 highs. So to see it on the low is like,
whoa, what's going on here, right?
So this is dope. These are the Air Jordan 1 low OG. Let's just pop the lid. We got the little eBay card here as well. Not sponsored by eBay this video, but I will leave them linked down below so you guys can shop the verified sneakers. And here we go. The new Air Jordan 1 low OG, and I think this is the white ghost green colorway. I'm not sure if these released yet, but I picked these up for, I think, a couple like $30-$40 over retail on eBay. These are sick, man. I like the fact that it's not a super bold green. It's like a light tint. You have the extra swoosh on the side right there, and then you'll have this weird checkerboard print on the tongue going on. Not what we're used to seeing. And of course, it has that sort of, you know, distressed off-white Nike Blazer kind of style top right here where it's the exposed foam. We got the Air Jordan Wings logo on the back. Just a quick first impressions for you guys of this shoe. The quality of leather that they use is definitely better than the previous Air Jordan 1 lows that we've been seeing Jordan Brand pump out a ton of colorways of. So yeah, here's a look at it without the eBay tag on it. These are dope, man. I wasn't sure if I was gonna feel these in person, but seeing these in person now, I think this is gonna be a really fun summer sneaker to wear. The materials they're using on this pair, it's not what we're used to for a Jordan 1 low. Typically, Jordan 1 lows use like a pure, like not pure leather, but they use a faux leather, and it is pretty much the entire sneaker. This time around, it has that kind of, I'm not gonna say color blocking, but the way they use the materials for that particular kind of color blocking is the same on these. So the same we've seen with the Rookie of the Years, the University Blues, the Shadow 2.0s, which we've recently reviewed on the channel. It's the same kind of thing here. It's got this suede or this nubuck material. I think it's nubuck. Yeah, there's like nubuck material on the colored panels, and then you have leather on the white portions. So very different, not what we're used to seeing from Jordan Brand. And it's interesting to me that they decided to bring out the OG Air Jordan 1 low like this, but not in an OG colorway. Like this is really weird, right? This is a Jordan 1 low with a Nike Air tag on the tongue, and it's not an OG colorway. I think this is something we've never seen before when it comes to the Jordan 1 low. But that is the second sneaker for today, the Jordan 1 low white ghost green. Again, pick these up off eBay. They came with 2 extra laces, and I will be reviewing these on this channel right here. So make sure you guys subscribe with the notifications on, and I'll probably do like a quick YouTube short for these on my other channel, SneakerTalk 365. So I actually don't know what is in these boxes right here. Like specifically, I have 2 boxes. Both of them are from Foot Locker, so I clearly picked up some stuff from Foot Locker. What exactly did I pick up? I'm not entirely sure completely. It's been a while, right? Sneaker releases in Canada have been so weird. A lot of the releases we've been getting have been delayed weeks. Like weeks from the original drop after you guys get them in America. So here we go, next pair of Nike sneakers right here. And we got the, all right, so I know what these are. They included a receipt or an invoice. So here we go, another pair which I will be reviewing on the channel. And these are probably gonna be really, these will be sold out, man. These will probably be sold out by the time this video goes up. I knew I needed these right away. Yes. Air More Uptempos. This is a multicolor white and blue one. It uses that color blocking we've seen before that had like the white, gray, black a few years ago. Those are really sick. But this time it opts for shades of blue, which is great for the summer. And yeah, these are clean too, man. These are really clean. I was a bit iffy about these at first, but after seeing these in hand, I was like, okay, these are really nice. They kind of remind me of like certain flags, like countries' flags, how they have 3 different colors or 3 different shades on them. But the white and multicolor blue pair. Which pair of Air More Uptempos do you guys like more? I'd love to hear you guys in the comments down below. The white reds or the white and blues? Both are cool. I feel like these ones are going to be a lot more wearable for like daily use kind of thing, or on a more wearable like day-to-day basis. These right here, you got to style these accordingly, right? You can't just throw these on and expect the fit to look fresh. You got to be smart with how you wear these. But that is the second pair, this white blue colorway, and the review for these will be up on the channel or my second channel, SneakerTalk 365, very soon. So with that said, we got one more pair left to get to, so let's check it out. This is the 4th and final box right here, and I missed you guys a lot. I've been kind of inconsistent again with the uploads. There's been some stuff happening behind the scenes, so I'm gonna be trying to post daily again. I know, ambitious, very ambitious, daily, but it's a new month. It's June, you know, June 1st. You guys had a long weekend if you were in America, and it's just a nice reset. It's a nice soft reset, you know, so it's always nice to try and start things off strong, or at least be optimistic. So if you guys have been having like a rough couple of weeks, you know, try and use this week to the best of your ability, and try and turn things around. So here we go. Last pair, we got a little coupon in here too. Cool. We got a 15% off coupon for a $100 order or more. And what is inside? There's an invoice here too. Let's just keep it a surprise. We'll keep it a surprise for you guys. So we got some Air Jordans right here, black and gold box. As you can see, size 10, my size. I picked these up for retail, 120 USD or 90 Canadian. And once again, I'll leave links to all these sneakers in the description down below, especially eBay, because they have the authenticity guarantee. So I'll be buying a lot more sneakers off of eBay because they don't have any fees either. So like the sellers don't have to inflate their prices to adjust for the fees. Here we go. Ooh, I forgot about these. So I ordered these like, I want to say 10-ish days ago. Finally got delivered, probably because it was a long weekend. And check these out. So this is similar to the white and red pair that we saw. I reviewed actually on the channel already, the white varsity red. This is like a white and green. I forget what the exact name for this one is. Let me see the box right here. White Stadium Green. So the white Stadium Green Air Jordan 1 Low. We got some people walking by. There's quite a few. I'm filming this outside, so there's people walking by on the sidewalks. But yeah, here we go. White Stadium Green Air Jordan 1 Low. If you liked the white varsity reds or the gym red Jordan 1 Lows I reviewed on the channel already, I gotta say, first impression, this is basic. Ooh, there's like a little mark here. Check that out. There's like a little stain right there. I don't know what that is, but we got a little mark right there. Not that bad. I think I can clean that off pretty easy. Everything about the shoe is pretty much the exact same, except the color accent is green, not red. So hey, if you like leaf green more than fire red, this is clearly the shoe for you. Shout out to my Pokemon gamers who understood that reference. But yeah, really great pickup as well for the summer. This is not a sneaker I'll be keeping around. I feel like out of the two, this is like this is a fun video. You know, we got 2 Air More Uptempos, we got 2 Jordan 1 Lows. So of course, hit that like button down below and comment down below for round 1. Is it the white and red Air More Uptempos or the white and blue? And for the second round, comment down below, is it the OG Air Jordan 1 Lows or the white and green? I love to hear you guys. I want to know which ones you guys like more, and based off the comments, I'll review the more popular option first. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. And I'm still not gonna have a haircut by the time the next video is out.